person. Research normally doesn't debate over. It's just that it's applicable. That laboratory that also engineered those type of products.
Okay.
Lakini ekero research yane enkolete East Africa. Enkolete Kenya, Uganda, Kisoro, some place called Kisoro, and partly part of this, but it was more or less during those in administration. The report we were doing on the same way, I was learning very many projects. I learned a project that was learning in Ghana, that is widely Karole mwalimu wa university osonga na research kuligeredio tukana ki solution chain sales egege wa benigana na gege wa findings yoko na chile atako. Yes.
Okay. Alright, so mheshimiwa kati ya mangana kwa kuruba mentioned is genetically modified rice. So kwa hiyo mjumbe you got the material no monge could you say maybe your research has informed the decision you were born when you were chache and the correct material as long as a constituency
very close, and it's good to kwa checking na kimonto kwa na virudu na kwa research baka crops no mochero na ande mochero so even in mochero wa correct the food that is meant for refugee. Totawetikia in the long run. Miake menge kunyora balito kina bono toba yatego ikema onyanto ka 60 70 monto wotire. And this is affiliated na ando nyoma cheko.
Yes,
but the research kind of research you are doing mochero two fronts ora let me nyingo sio simeko. And the other front, all actually vary and
as a constituency ya Nyaribari Chache to ngata binyakola to sanga monera. So mheshimiwa consistently you have said for the last 3 years Nyaribari Chache. All right. So let's speak for example take mukira service yo mjumbe iko kuna chipa
Tiwe sanjiro jasiki para. Tiwe sanjiro chiake chichi para. Kile constituency kubera located para. Unless obukora boko bekume omuntu twacholete for the last 4 years there is no yara toroki ni pale na ra 60 kilometers ibere seyemo. Paraji achagite mune karuke gatimba kalianya mwamu atowazia mane allocated disappear. Pepale kuruminyi kwa gochinya sanja all the way, there's no money. But where is our money? You mean serikali ndio karotoa baadhi ya waswa miaka ene tumbali kwa torando na Nyaribari Chache. Abana bande yene ko bara umuntu ukanse committee cross chipara. Etenene to ko bagachibese chipara kenyingi. No yitu. Aretako ere bagirane nyene gitege sinini aro 6 kilometer 10 Nyaribari Chache boneta kutoa kurigeri yango se umutumyo kabisa because when don't need transport committee where no ola se committee yeko bagachibesa aito yakendi
so mheshimiwa wenye bese chinjini conflict ya se chipara cha Nyaribari Chache then maybe na se chibasa chibeki
ndoko nifisi bese
maybe on the side ya chibasa ya rombi yako kwa yes maybe put money in education
I think that is even a different topic. For all these years obo kebono iga twagati tiene karibu basari chibesa chibasa njiri guidance njiro chibesa chibasa nandi including chibasa yicho umuntu ochwana musite million na kurunde 8 million to date kuna toko kwa na iga to date kuna as we speak bande this school January basa abo babo chikoye cheki baka waseri who are you giving and who are you not giving? Did you ask him and to participation ya process ye obo ulinga chibesa chibasari na ebasari na to priority or say participate in deciding how much we are going to spend on bursary, on development, on helping the needy cases, on emergencies. Ask these people. You have not asked them. There's no public participation. You cannot just imagine which are going to pay 8 million when we know for sure a number of MCT school. Yes.
All right. Right. Mwachokutirili kwa na yeye maasi ya mwenere Dr. Joseph Birondo mugendi yukulikero kibujumba se constituency ya Nyaribali Chache. Yoro na bogoto kwa tialia su mutandao o Facebook Radio Vuna 102.0 FM na boyo na bogoto likira SMS 0706102102 kwa sasa o mutandao o YouTube Radio Vuna 102.0 FM na bokanyara kwa bogoto likira. So mheshimiwa, you are saying aseti para kentokeyo aseti basari kentokeyo,
correct,
but maybe mujumba wano ogodere chibasi maybe that's where the money is going.
That is even another topic. Kero asante na bokora school other constituencies in kwa mchini mpaka jibasi. Kwani je tulende no ne jibasi start kwa there are very many schools again. What let me tell you for example.
Yes.
We are talking about chibesa chibonete kuba put into use as abantu right. Ngai yango kakurusi chibesa kwanza ole in the opposition. We go to the police station aboko jino. Chiefs camp, offices, assistant chief. The problem is accessibility in the Mondo. Omondo koboko agachita kwa agacho visi bogetu doesn't even know so long. To that we are in a total mess. But we are because we need in Nyaribali Church to be explained wamanye just chamono tiamenda for the last 4 years. Yeah.
Okay. So asali bagali ya wabuno murai no yo liti kerogego kebonjumba. Bungo current service in Kiago Kora, because from what you have said, then it looks like he's doing nothing. And you're saying he's doing nothing.
The exact reason why we had to come out. We thought mwako emo taragwata emergency. Whatever say budget yana na beke 9 million emergency. Ijineji besa wako. Emergency school ko yiga. Ujumbe dane wakati. Echire kayaba nginabu we are pushing imaga and all. Abana baito bakaibiru chibesa ngani chekatali. That is an emergency. These are people who have taken loans. Baoni liengom, baoni limegondo. Besete edeni akore. Mbawa wako besete kuru jisakeji wako makebi mkono. When will you come and solve that one as an emergency? See what happened in Eldoret. This was in Gishu. A group of us. Bana walibonsi pichibesa chia mawaliska. You can't even call them for a meeting. You we are waiting for that day. About the 1,500 jobs for our people. They sold land. Yes. But you can't even take heart because we have no attachment now on the way. Toraki no giving to them. Nana Sunday could care a garlic and a conic, but Eva Sababa now which was. Babi Kumu, command of corn, where a quick will is the yoke. Karabali employment Yabasai. Yeah. Probably that is not what Abantavanya Libari Church Baganeti and the Mheshimiwa or is doing what they want. What they want. Again to iguana netenakio, yes, go corali. Keriago kora, to iguana netenari. You know that is what everybody is saying. What you are doing, do you agree? And what we agreed, are you doing it? So Nyaribali Church is not doing what we agreed. Kiriago kora tari ndo twagirete wata chibesa chito uligie change ochaka kwa abantu gogo tamanage na dinta kiritato tari kitoko teto agutometoka etwa agutomete wendo uligia magendero to agute na orangene na banta bago chipo kora serikali not doing that. Opportunities chiatoka ya wana baito wanita kulikwegazi. You are supposed to go there and fight for our people or to their positions. Lakini in the process, we have
yes.
As late as yesterday, evidence. Karopa nyolide kwa nilia mabaga kwa leta jibesa kwa sera bakagwatira jibesa mu graduate abana irire prison police military bako graduate nando ko gwetega gutangaza nande ta undi ngo graduate abana bagirango amusingi kaki abaito. Do you know 25 positions as a military or police nakira change ngiro bitoka abana bali they have parents, they have families. Guru fizi abana bamu they help this society more than you can honestly or what to say. That is where the problem is. So the person we put there is cruel. Even with little resources, umonene toya u have a billion chinyom budget una tora. Chi world sita. Divide have a billion by 6. Million. Devi project here bironge world ya 90 million. Kuna. Even if you are remaining 2% you can manage office. A project here world ya so that we can now forgive you. Chipara kera ya allocate levy fund and many other funds chia chipara. Kaki to tebi ya ito ya 2023 to atigire chinde 2023 yoka. Igose chake August. This school jeto January wali chachi a school fees free. What they because a constituency una kiara wana wakaligo so mbasa 40 million e basa ya 80 million. It means abana bali nabo babasoma bosa abali be school way. This school jeto January wali chachi and 80% of Nyaliba nobody a word in Dima and mujumbe that ndo open a center of excellence Bironge Award. Open another one Keungu. School.
Yes.
Emmanuel Jirega. Outside Nyaliba. Where you can go to say that to except Nyamagoga is Sigega. Okay, we kill Nyaliba. I can't allocate you money and then I stay 4 years in Motanga to Nera. I had no go. Go Kulkiri. You want to go fight for your people. People have been doing it. People have tried to do what we need in the constituency, but you're all very close. The other thing is empowerment here. Beka jibesa the other 40 million in the Kurua kit. Training abana aba chipramba, chikapenta, train them skills GIT. Train addressing, train hospitality, food production. Ira abana abaisiko bagwate skill. What is whatever PS ga kinja ban prime pramba joka ngati pramba ikomo. You will get these people moving to better jobs and they help their families.
It's fun.
Yes.
And I thought if you could resign the Kuruase board a mandate ya go konyo basa konyo le maso bala chibasa mkola skills. Because you said it was not working. Better plan.
Yes.
You must Nyaliba Church. What is that plan that could be better than here at the national level as a youth enterprise fund?
At that moment, yes. That I will take back to Mugusionero Lengesi, one of Mintoko Kumoliasko North Mograco. To Asoy Nero Musinero, Gena told you Tatari. Elizo Lingo Chole, who could say board, near Serikali and saying, Macron, now what interested to know what defend your money told in Keruga. Umaneko Nora, no one to Musia, good to go to Kerumonti. Musio you, Tabuat Magos, as the years I look to Sakole, you can, a time Yoka. He has any problem, Tarigo Pogo, the water procedure. Lakini ni go kwa melio tate como tomanga, nanje go toma kwanza. Ekarwata ni mmoja asiegas nanje ngatemena. So that is how you die the war. The defense I put is to protect one of our own. Ikina gego kobeke board.
Okay.
Ekato kuligibo gambio etokobeko tochiko defend omogusi. I stayed there for a year plus. 2.
Yes.
The programs Muliasia launched here when Matiang was the governor of all projects. but bono kosi na barabu batagete wale toyo babaye neri guchisoro, he became the casualty. But he meant well in the circumstance. He got an enterprise fund. So in the two funds, we've never had representation in English. That was the first time. And that's a very short time.
All right. So umunyibali
abaito kwali ko empower. Ebinte bakwe agajiranye bibanda monto choge kajiba dia. Ebibanda bile krokwa empower ile batwalire tiaho minika. Bige osareka so ekeombe okobesa orosi pigipigi onyakorosi ebesa yaye. But bone ge pigipigi esareke tabwa dige igako bese de pigipigi. Tagonya koirani. Connect nechi fund ijimote wasura fund. But connect ne fund guna women enterprise fund. They get money, negotiate the rate, back an interest. Wachake biashara. Ba improve biashara. Bana no say. Give it to them in a group. Osera bantu ikomi 1000 that's 10,000. Lakini weke 10 koloro sio obo ndabwabo kuweka robaete kwa distribute assembly.
All right.
Yes.
Right, mucho umutegereri buna ugendera tukunyarwa baguko ikwabo oyo no mheshimiwa Dr. Joseph Birundu oyo 102 chego kondokanya cha Brian Kose Bro Bright. So mheshimiwa Kirongore naso lekero kurigeria sechi ward cha Nyarwari church gatogokora keugo boro birongo kise central ibeno nabo baracho.
Yes.
If you have taken time to analyze in terms ya magani ya kera asset ward, is it the same or say ekero kurigeria maybe okogani kwa abantu wa kise central ngoleto bote maybe nawa ibeno secure koro? Is it the same thing? You're planning for all of them?
It is the same thing. But again, ekero romurai taria yogotebya abantu nkioko bakolera na ubawo tebya se shida yabe e priority era abe birongo nabara gotega akigega none boarding school to koira abana Nyamira at boarding school we wodi ngima e priority ito no korosie center of excellence era konya abana bako ndi school bame na nekero bawo so mi school ya gachi no to konchingi ndi go school but go cha kiungu bakote ye chiro no to kolera ki. So the priorities should not come from you now to decide the new to man. It is what they talked about bottom up. Ask these people what.
All right. So you're saying mheshimiwa bado turabulia bantu kibaga
public participation. The
vote for you.
Yes.
You're not yet asked them kibatagete.
No. I'll tell you, I'll see the gap. When we win and immediate to us, yes, we will implement as partners by consulting them. Nima the thing. Birongo, a center of excellence, a paranero, a Birongo, Yangeni, Yantropo. That is a priority road. There is no tarmac road. Marino Rosana in it. A word ingima, no tarmac road. Keumbo at least we have this. Obaracho, it is the same problem. Of course we have a small road. So to open the economy it is to deal with these roads. Kabosie para kunyantrogo. Ikedonse nakimonta gatora mareri gari ngakiago ikiguna atari kombo. Nyakitari cheto, it's a major problem. So when you look at the problems in Longo, look at the roads, look at the school, look at the Ngatari. Do you know? Say for a small dispensary, Ereke and Gataraj, a working in my room, what Nantara. Save for any Italia, even over Enko, Otarabeka, even to support it and build it. It's a total mess. Even if it's a devolved function, the infrastructure, to build a bigger infrastructure, health infrastructure, national government. Mujumbo kuhuka kwanda afya house, wako wa mali. Waka jisi regions, woman. paka bara te ko serio monto mwege ke magena kero kya le no moju. I'll tell you for free nothing. Oligere ringo ngo sitwa ko iro visi ya CDF umo ndo no tigale uchalo tengo chocolate ubwato mugondo yu chinyomba chia gasi uchionigu konyala ko. Instead of telling you monene bwense ochire wego gogoriri ojara mudengo tukonyo mugondo bumunyalira tokora motebi igora asenta ega bana bago jaba train computer in osura train on grabbing this skill. Open something that can expand even your chiro. But you cannot come and say housing after they have been sold. Who gets the money? Yes, it is happening elsewhere. Housing here, how will we benefit? You want to sell our land 5 acres? That's where the problem is. Okay. So we look at these priorities. Kere koni what? Okay, town. The same mess. Endororo, sit with them, and the ministry housing, Quarocate Chibes and Chichiro, Valley play Chile. It is an emergency. We get a CDF, a kit Kirioto, or get the emergency that the corrosion of Korea. Kayabang in a Valley Chibesa, Parikabek, what they roast. That is not what it is. He has never even gone there. Yes. So I'll do those things. Alright. I know where the problem is. Tanaje Kalimasongo, Banabara was imagine it's a priority. Yenda Kera, Yenda Kula, Yenda Kula is an urban load authority. He should go there. Because within that, it is within that. And many other things. Echiro Jete Chiro Aminko. Every president Yaros in Chichiro Quatro. Dialoga will come in Conitra and Okua Mirror. Don't think I edit. Kera asali kwa naku igurara ingege. Taribu hii ya kukata. Tanpa kama na kubutura, omiruka gari akabutura KMTC ya eli. Onya kundia kaigore para, buo sora kaigore para. Yani o minute ngari mali chachi kene kiyo kia eli kemo na takwa zwe miaka. Kiguri. Nothing. You didn't open anything.
And onyo lenga okuengei. Could that be the same experience when you were about Konyara in case of quality of much more beautiful? Trust me, they will appreciate the entire time. There is no akaswaime akakwa gerere mupira ko rusiko abamole na barabu aligerere ba chezire ba kwale na kibako aga kitokora ze malende no tema ko chikanigo. Trust me, when I say school mboza toko chiosomia bana baito, we have already looked at that, we have done research. Igari na otoko somia bana gete. We'll pick the first year 100 watokonye. That one you don't need it to be we will put our money there in that project. That is what we are saying. This when you and I want to give an example in the financial year 2022.
KMTC. Yes.
But by to a local company in Japan, allocated 5.9 million. You see, Omwaki Kule Rataman did not get was a little bit.
Yes.
But I got the corner. My mother, you go market to the KMTC. Yes. You got the correct KMTC.
Yes.
Timothy, how do you intend to bridge this gap with the Koenekina? Can you go at every
economic public participation. Nekere se abikira located. Ekaro ngetitia abantu komite KMTC. Munabona yeba ukora n'umuntu kunyenya so. Tata ndikumanya. Kia need oyo korozi pale no. Ikras ke libuna wana de contractor. Trato tevia. E contractor no yo. Tibesa tibegete need. Ase aporosia niga. Ba kunyara bukoboli maswali. Igora nyoba ekende. Ba koboli. Intumna bana to akiniganya riba. We are going to scrutinize it. Whatever in 3 weeks in Kokora school na tokole kulende. We want to know because what we have been told with evidence ebare gosaba contractor ngaki ekara oje contractor de chikomwakende when you are doing things in secrecy no nyene tibesa tira allocated the project document what we are going to do nandi bulungu oli to kwa gacha KMTC dangiria abantu baibe no alias KMTC gazi ni katikati ya mid tamba tenga by this time konya na ikira katia na bengo muboneka rokole kise no materi tengonga irige baka sasa no mateka konya na ikira katia how much the project cost and when they finish ekero batata bota beti ko bali ne tibesa konya project is stalled bacha kablembe kali tara allocate na tutara akole before project starts the money is always allocated. There is no two about it. Anda sito bategete upane ba onjetia bacha kire kwa bacha chikarabati kadara to tenga ngai jibesa jire because we have not seen, even we don't even know the contractors. We want to know jibesa ni chito ewe saide ngachia bege tu na ndia into we tell them neke kusibona baba school nature umocho kororia ocho muire school ya KMTC September kero mwana agosoma na mategi ngukora na open space abanga bali bali ko nyaranga komanyandi school ya teko era chibese chito korto to aranyire school 4 years na ego tabu kiboka gata ke kwa nyorire case nkero
yoko wo ya kegoro ya nyali bali church
na disaster
igera ICU igere ward ose igere HD
until to asile tora ICU
obekiro
oxygen there is no way to what nandari nganto jetamne to nya oteba ngaki umondo goro Dr. Bruno Maoso abura terega 27 tobo tio monto to muire chidia ila na ya cha kubire ya sate igana onye university igana ona national polytechnic igana wa maja kuni gusie kimali igana headquarters ye county ere igana medicine no development wanda wetu watesele bona igeto ila netini tutoko bugati constituency yo muiso to maintinede baya iteto no ranking igana
ko gandi baraga ambeleka iganya libali ko ika kero ya rinkamo mwaka nyamwaya manga from 1918 tekero ya nyarako bagiko bagana babo monda bagandire mondo bagandire bocha mbaka rona somo bungo bona ngimbure atari teko batwera kero ko what it is line
embura ya chale teko 2017 creo torabika eluye ito kokotom pero garete tole mesi because from what we have seen the last 10 years no is developed he literally moved to nyomba chonsi piga igaji nyalibali aka concentrate not even here aka concentrate relationship omuyi musani kazi ni ane nyarebe nonyina bayimba rwatakoreti so from there ekera bantu bage chigwa ubugete myake yuko to anto anto ne boarding school center nene gaiga ichire ito okonyole wote limeta what anything lakini gapo mabaga so on the same so ekera bantu bage chiku 2022 tokateba kende kyonsi na gicha itokugia kirikula kero to akikula hono ge to kole na kweta ni na to ani koyo
alright
musmate bona nani ndanda de bote
yes
aba kan to atwali until then moga kokoro ku
yes
ida na to things
kolo 2000
takole tiu mchezo ya banda ba to kole oso amatanga ya bantu osali nganoka bwata jibesa china tora jibilioni gei tabo getiko na usalia matanga ya muntu mutaka utara changu nonero ngoya ya akombuka wega nganoka bwata jibesa ya okero kuwate kwende your people more than you can love your abanta around the world ebuna ngo we kerogo nkeri kia nyumba ngo ruga mutu ikirugo ni cyumuneri bari chachi ginko igore ebesa mwairwe langiri abantu komiti okorosa kobura te chama ni koru kindo mujumbe chama ntako mutundu hadi nyombe iri nera nitagete secretary tako fund serikali na kibo chikona kumanage abantu abandi nose.
All right. Machopili ndio mheshimiwa Dr. Birundo Joseph Birundo yukuri kwa mjumbe ya constituency ya Nyaribari Chachu. Igati ya legislative issues njabera associated no mjumbe ulibona habisekuru Nyaribari Chachu. Intangani igati tenga influencers sasa bako mnyokili tega semitandao bichikolbe ku
basibu
watu wa degree should have a degree yoma kunyara kwa ko kolega single male imetenga no Nyaribari Chachu gaiga no whatever saibanga mna ultimately we want to follow that line so kwa una wa hiyo jumbe
really clear because Kenya ya contributing yake. If the only thing they are contributing taxes must be punitive. What I can say punitive means ito tax abana abaito ono sana aigo mwana ndo chikogole tikia ewe kanabe buya because yo botakato kuate egere gusinanya ne kwenda school because yo to kwenda ko esu etu kikere une omanye gonjo ka aigo muntu to abikire nero ole mustari wa mbere ko bataxi egero muigurio ko ndisa agaiga utumira umwana wayo cross butu abana batujina kwaro that is the only thing he contributed. Yo tax na utalipa mara tatu onyo mungino ngotomera umwana wa jimisano kyo cross butu kiachire class omoyo libona agoza bujiru. That is the contribution. It is the only bill that literally I don't think it even went through. Taxes chiaban amaguta mwanago yako bosio otaite yake mtogo kamengo kaubo uzekimbo.
So what do you think ngoro ya ebirenkere byo mujumba urabona bisinga influencers kusaba ko lemera masi mitandao kwa ntu kutora chile
omanyete karota understand it and that these people are struggling and the only way they are trying to push the agenda. He was doing that one to defend himself. Ka okora magoso mbanyara gokoraki kumo minyokia so that na about it. It's not about it. Does he has one omate okwakiwe kero bwate ye oyo tomanyete ko academy oyo tomanyete ko academy na understand it even what he was presenting, because you cannot just talk not to get to a degree okoreki aide roda. Yeah. So what we are saying, if you understand where the people are coming from,
yes,
they are not doing that job because they want it. They are doing that one to earn a living. You cannot put bottlenecks as somewhat of no.
All right. Quickly, another legislative agenda y'omujumba bona rabisi alikokuwa ndani na abakoli imirimo ya serikali, public servants banyara ko bakore bachikonda 1 to 4 years banyatora korabia waro inde kurulibaga especially as abasa banyara ko bakonyora imirimo. Looks like a solution to youth unemployment.
I hope you're not Mujumba ito everything tonight. And if that is what he's proposing, I think he doesn't understand how public administration works, or the civil service work. Remember, there is continuity. You need people who have the experience who are not this generation. They need these people longer to learn. So that it's a continuous process. That's why you need them longer, but no. In fact, to some extent, retirement, this is a surgeon. We can make a system. Almost what process? When 60 because that is how an administration system work. So that we nurture them at the best time. We are not saying that they are there because they you want to chase them. Okay. The whole economy will collapse.
All right. Mheshimiwa Sidi Chuchinsa chigo to minyukine. Is it chinyomba? Kosene report card. What is going to determine to decide the next member of parliament from 2027? Anybody church?
2027 even the way to determine chichigo. First, no monto olanya understand the problem in Monyaribari. Yeah? Ola present your case in Ananya that will solve what I've done, what I'm doing, and what I'll be doing. Omonto wata maono understand kia wanto waito. Those are the facts. What will not determine your Mogambi? Scorecard get to receive. You get a minute in the give you to manga straight. No nyale kobo whatever they are saying, atokoleregas will stick with that person. So that will not be a determinant. So determinant, no more understand the problem no more to to konya into vito, or a presenting gentonga. Yes, I want to go to yes, I want to go to empower and skills, a toko chikochibeka igana. Yes, I want to chikoli gichigas chipala start to choose pichile serikali to onyama bagaito. Those will be the determinants. Above all, Omogusi they create decision at the national level. Angela Toko and Omogusi made. Angela Ochaga got to Tengan go to Yoro Choro Sanoma. A Q will also be a determinant. It is either you support our people or you are not one of us. Omogusi was in a community like here decided. Decision has already been made. In two of Nagis Savagi to Guata Tegaiga, little Quane Womusi, Quano Risco. Never ni Moneva, Guacolegas, we are.
Yes, all right. Shortly, Coach Antes, I will return your Robatochi, no, and some Robato, Lakini, Mujuba Bono, Visiga Tevana, or me, so Igago Tebacana, Siasa. Yes. Are you feeling the pinch?
Is one learning mad. He's learning up and down. And I'll tell you because that is what summarizes him totally stable here.
Yes.
It's not about money. I'll tell you for free. Matanga ayabantu bali family ya conversation tent inyale bosoro ya kanaba iri walibo chabago bako bataitendaga kanebirogo ya kanespa ya. So it is not about money. If you had the money you should have done those people more. I know them. I know about it mono 100%. It do not be about money, to be the strategy injira to kwanda abantu.
Chacha Kore Bakuna Omobunge or maybe 2 years or 3 years badai Omontondeso Kie Uchaka Bokore campaign.
Yes.
Timothy, what would you feel? Because it is clear, Mheshimiwa, your campaigning Ekaromo Jumbo RBC. Don't you think maybe at the moment you are going to go priority maybe como support na como ama waidanga kiatunya la kwa kora instead of campaigning?
Ndo support ni yake alafu tu iko yokata natoa tu kwa kene na watu wengine wa support. Yale kwa January 2023 2024 ndio kwa siasa. Some of us we are critical people who have supported him. Sana. We've never questioned anything about him. No. John Digereri until Moiso Dendo Chichi Yarimile Marabo. Kindongera ocha kulisia ngombe kama ulito koligi matora alisia ngombe wala ulito koligi.
Yes.
Kinengera la nyalo. So to arure marabo ba manduri to koligi maria elire marabo batona. I think yale cover ninja. We have waited. Given him support, nobody has ever questioned anything. Even with this temperature, nobody has asked you more anything. I can tell you Mujumbo to are comfortable here to panga kazi yetu tuwe kolege kazi yetu. because miaka litu kulige mobere ngombere bweri kwabere mpaka maragoba gwirire ngokamba tutakete ekwende tonyore ngombe terizi bikende nkeyo omanya utotenga nota ketenande miake
Rochese mchake ubu if he wins the Jubilee ticket. So you're standing as a ticket ya chama ya Jubilee.
Litari wanongo so Jubilee my life
Na yote bakanaga you already have a competitor.
Tajua yo bilitialengo ona ringe Jubilee ntema Burundi 2013 nange TNA tu nona ringe for the people iye chete konyore kanega chingi kaba Jubilee omanyete
Yes.
oyo totenete monto mo ine yo likane pa monto ya bwa to what I mentioned abali Jubilee as we speak.
Yes.
O akiri monali mali Jubilee umwana omuntendu ya me ticket na ko wachikora chenya libali charge. I can assure you no njia alikuwa command a ticket ni ngora kitambaka cha kunejiruti echo and I've been in this politics for a long time. Como nene ticket I'll win. Yes, I'll win. Tikatokwane kato win ndoje ngo political kurudia. Because alignment yomo kusiona it is not about the party.
Yes,
as such. It's about the direction yomo kusiere as if ready ago tobeka. Yes, independent candidate. Yes.
All right. So you've been clear na sikoro kyo bara ibense no maske matyanyo kwa okoboko.
Correct.
Nikoro kyo bugabana no maske macho.
Thank you.
Igaiga nyali bali chache bali tete babo akile kura. No abaki kura. Because so will you want them to vote for you but they don't vote for the president? Who say the governor akiro monto mwa. In other words, go tale na ni okubuli ko ko Jubilee.
Ese inherent detach message ya president. Tingo detach kwa someone to karawaka. Uluzi bwali nona magendro nali ndakora abwega aligo na njembu enzaiga magendro ndakore ba mange mono kubwekera tayo
decide. You've already declared your position.
My position is clear. A candidate ya Jubilee ogabana macho. Oba Jubilee candidate njari support a candidate ya Jubilee. The president in Jubilee, governor Jubilee, na Jobo Jubilee.
So mugabana ulibona abisese
inside government supporting every candidate I support him. Trust me. Ewe majogo ekala sire na arati nganero kwa candidate majogo tayo race njeni umuntu oli Jubilee mu support. But you reject what candidates who are aligned me direction yomo kusi. Bako venga no enda kusigisho chaka kwa na Jubilee. Wasinigisho. Na any governor candidate for the people and the vote. They will not vote for you. Yeah. Igai governor will see 2027. It's either you are in Jubilee or you are in Jubilee. There's a shortcut in the year.
Umonyali bali chache. Ono masala yake kwa no musiko Jubilee.
Yes, nje enda kwanda abantu bamito.
Yes,
asemwabeta particularly aba kusibonsi enkoba kwanira inawe tobe peaceful tuligichikura chito no murembe nto basa kuba incited na politicians for elections come and go tikatubwatane tubegente kama ibo elimo to mwana itochimbo paka nyansanja ase pareta anya kwa gachene myaka karibu 10 na kitu na abasore ku change ya MS iri twasote nto banya koimene na abasore kurusyo ku problem yonsi ipi na kugenderia magendera itu umuntu bikoranya ari gukora gazi yako Dr. Joseph Biru and 2027 unanganya ariko to unify to begente kama Dr. Joseph Biru. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much mashimira tokoganira mayase ganga yawe yokolie komara unyanga asana wilaba na time tonyera ko batagusanga alright asante imedina baro ba liko wa feedback ya wetera so mutandao Facebook ko rugali ya studio and